We'll guide you through how to factory reset and restore an Acer laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you're selling this laptop, you're giving it away, and so you want to go and reset it and get it back to how it was when you first got it with nothing on it, all ready to go and be set up. We're going to guide you through this step by step. Also, if you've found yourself in the situation of where you've forgotten your password, you can go and do this as well. So make sure it's a full guide step by step, as we're covering important information throughout this whole guide. So you can actually go and do this whether you're currently logged in or logged out. I'm doing it logged out just in case you're trying to do this because you've forgotten your password. So you can do it this way as well. Now, first of all, just remember everything is going to go and be lost on there. So your files, apps, settings, made, all that different thing is going to go and be lost. So do just consider that. You can still go and get it if you've got it backed up or got it synced somewhere potentially. But to go and get started with the guide, you're going to go and click. Now, what we need to do here is, it's asking us for our password, but what we can do is go and hold the left shift key on the keyboard, and you want to go and press the power button in the bottom right, and you can then go and press restart. Keep holding shift and click restart. Now you can release shift. Now what's going to happen is it's going to go and load into the recovery mode, and in the recovery mode, we're going to be able to go and continue with the reset. So keep patient here. You go and see it starts booting, and it should then go and boot into the recovery mode, as you can see here. So what we can do here is we can go and find the option for troubleshoot. As you can see, you've got continue, turn off your PC and use a device, but we're trying to find troubleshoot, and you want to go and click there. Then it goes and says reset this PC. So it lets you choose to go and keep or remove your personal files, and then reinstalls Windows. We can go and press this here, and we're going to go and remove everything to go and do the reset. So we're going to click here and wait. It's going to ask you about reinstalling Windows. Here, it may go and ask you for the recovery key. So this is where BitLocker is enabled and the drive is encrypted. So you need to go and get this key from another device. You need to go and follow the link it gives on the screen, or you can just go ahead to your Microsoft account, log in, and you can go and find it in the devices. Then after you've entered that, it's quite long. Choose how you want to go and reinstall Windows. I prefer a local reinstall, as it saves me from having to go and download it again. And you can then go and wait. Shouldn't go and take much longer. You can choose where you want to go and do the reset. I'll do the all drives. Then what you can do here is go and just remove files or clean the drive fully. And then it's going to go and take us to the final step here. And it shouldn't take much longer. And now we can go and see what resetting is going to go and do. So it's going to remove all personal files and accounts on this device, remove any changes made to settings, remove all apps and programs that didn't come with this PC, and then Windows will be reinstalled. So press reset and the process will then go and begin. It's that simple. So if you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again.